Now in this video we will learn about multiplication of decimal numbers. So there are three types of multiplication. First is multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. So suppose 673.234 is multiplied by 10. So what will be the answer? You just ignored the decimal and then multiplied by 10. So answer will be 6732340. Then you have to count how many digits after decimal. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. So you just count 3 digits and put the decimal. So 1, 2, 3. Put the decimal. So you can see that when you are multiplying by 10, so point is shifted to the right by 1. Okay, or you can write it 673.2.340 directly. Okay, because the decimal or point is shifted to the right by 1. Okay, now take another example. 673.234 is multiplied by 100. So this decimal is shifted to the right by 2. Yes, 673.23400. Then after 2 3 we have to put decimal. Okay, or in a simple way you can multiply it by suppose 1000. So this ignore this decimal and then multiply it by 1000. So it will be 673234000. Then how many digits are after decimal? 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. Here you can put 0. So it can be written as, or this will whole part. So 6 this. Okay, 6,73,234. Okay, now move on the next case. This is multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. So the same procedure. Suppose the example is 82.53 is multiplied by 2. Okay, so you just ignore this decimal. So when I am ignoring this decimal, so it will be 8253 is multiplied by 2. Then multiply 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 0, 1 2 2 is 4 5, 2 8 is 16. Okay, after that you have to put decimal. So after decimal, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So you just count 1 2 and put decimal. Okay, now third case is multiplication of a decimal by a decimal. Okay, so suppose 8253 is multiplied by 7.4. So what will be the procedure? We just ignore the decimal. So it will be 8253 is multiplied by 74. And you know how to multiply this? Yes, 8253 is multiplied by 4. So answer is this. Okay, then 7 3 is 21. Then it will be this. Okay, then add. So it will be 610722. After that you just place the decimal. So there, then after decimal how many digits are there? 2. Then here after decimal 1 digits are there. So total digit will be 3. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So you just count 1 2 3. You just put here decimal. Okay, now move on exercise 2.6. Question number 1. First part, 0.2 into 6. So same method, this is the case second, ignore the decimal. So multiply 2 and 6, which is 12, and put the decimal point after one digit from right. Okay, so this is the answer. Second part, 8 into 4.6. So same procedure. So answer will be 368. Now put the decimal after one digit. Okay. Then third one, 2.71 into 5. Okay. So it will be this, after 2.2 digit we have to put decimal. This will be. Now fourth one, 20.1 into 4. So it will be 80.4. Then fifth part, 0.05 into 7. Ignore the decimal, so it will be 7 5s are 35. Okay. Then after 2 digits we have to place decimal. So this will be an 0 we have to put in the whole part. Now move on the next question. That will be 211.02 into 4. Okay. So it will be 84408. After 2 digit we have to place decimal. Next question, 2 into 0.86. So it will be 172. After 2 digit we have to place decimal. Now question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is, it means length is given 5.7 centimeter and breadth is given 3 centimeter, and we have to find area. So we know that area is equals to L into B. It represented by L and this is B. So L into B, it means 5.7 into 3. Okay. So ignore this decimal and multiply. So answer will be 17.1. But what? So its unit will be centimeter square. Okay. 5.7 centimeter into centimeter. So it will be area is equals to 17.1 centimeter square. Question number 3, first part, 1.3 into 10. This is the first case. Okay. So ignore decimal and multiplied by 10. So it will be 130 and place after one digit decimal. Okay. So it will be 13. Okay. Next is 36.8 into 10. So it will be 3680. Then after one digit we have to place decimal. Now third one, 153.7 into 10. So it will be 1537.0 or 1.1537. This is the whole part, 1537. Fourth one, 168.07 into 10. So it will be 1680.7. Okay. Then fifth one, 31.1 into 100. So this will be 31100. Then after one digit we have to place decimal. Sixth one, 156.1 into 100. So 156,100. Then after one digit place decimal. Then seventh part, 3.62 into 100. It will be 36000. Then E. Okay. So it will be 362. Then next, eighth part, 43.07 into 100. So it will be 700 after 2 decimal. Okay, after 2 digit we have to place decimal. Now ninth one, 0.5 into 10, so it will be 5. Okay, 5.0, or you can say 10th part, 0.08 into 10 is equals to, suppose this, ignore this decimal and multiply, so it will be 80. After 2 digit we have to place decimal, so it will be like this. Now 11th part, 0.9 into 100, so it will be 9 into 100 will be 900. Then after 1 digit we have to place decimal, so it will be 90. Now 12th part will be 0.03 is multiplied by 1000, so it will be 3 into 1000, 3000. Then after 2 digit we have to place decimal, so it will be 30. Okay, now move on the next question. Question number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. It means in 1 liter of petrol, a two-wheeler covers a distance 55.3 kilometer. So in 10 liter a two-wheeler covers a distance, it means we have to multiply. Okay, so same 5530, then place after 1 digit we have to place decimal. Okay, so 553 kilometer distance will be covered by it in 10 liter of petrol. Okay, question number 5. First part, 0.3 is multiplied by 2.5. Okay, so ignore the decimal. So 25 3s are 75 and count the decimal. After decimal there are 1 digit and after that 1 digit, so total is 2. So we have to place after 2 digit decimal. Okay, so it will be 0.75. Second part, 0.1 into 51.7, so it will be, ignore the decimal, so it will be 1 into 517, so it will be 517. Then count here after decimal digits 1, then here 1, so the total is 2. So after 2 digit we have to place decimal. Okay, now next is 0.2 into 316.8, so ignore decimal and multiply, so it will be 6336. Okay, 2 8s are 16, then 1 2 6 are 12, 13. Okay, so 2 3s are 6. Okay, correct. So 1 and 1 2, so it will be 63.36. Now fourth one, 1.3 into 3.1. Okay, so it will be 4.03. Next is 0.5 into 0.05, so 5 5s are 25. Okay, then here after decimal 2 digits are there and here 1, so total is 3. So 1 2 3, it means we have to put 0, then decimal, then 0. Okay, now sixth one, 11.2 into 0.15, so it will be 1.680. Okay, then seventh is 1.07 into 0.02. Okay, so 107 is multiplied by 2, so it will be, okay, 214. Now we have to place decimal, so 1 and 2 after 4 digit. Okay, so it can be written as 4120 point then 0. Okay, next 8th part. 10.05 is multiplied by 1.05, so it will be 10.5525. Okay, 9th part. 101.01 is multiplied by 0.01, so ignore the decimal and multiply by 1, so same answer will be there. Okay, then after this decimal there are 2 digits and either a same 2 digits, so total is 4 digits, so 1 2 3 4. Then last one, 100.01 is multiplied by 1.1, so answer is 110.11.